Hey everybody, Ethan here. Welcome to Hello Road. So this brand new 2022 Honda Civic Si in blazing orange was just dropped off at my house about 30 minutes ago, and I figured I've got a sporty sedan. The first thing I should do, rather than slogging through Los Angeles traffic, is take it to one of my favorite canyon roads to see how it does on a really fun, windy, twisty road. And I think this video is going to be mainly me just driving on this awesome road. There's a lot of tight technical turns, which I think will be pretty well suited to this car. Not a ton of power, just 200 horsepower out of the 1.5 turbocharged engine, and it's pretty small and pretty lightweight, so it should be a ton of fun on this road. It's got the upgraded Eagle F1 tires, which is the only option for the Si, which should help it even more on this road. So yeah, I'll have a more in-depth video with this car coming soon, but for now, if you want to join me just vlogging this car on this awesome road, let's do it. But first, let's take a quick look inside the car. Quick backseat impressions are it's pretty Spartan. They didn't really put a lot of money into the back seat here. No USB ports, I guess that's okay. Just throw a cable back to your friends in the back. Seats fold down. There is a little cup holder right here, so that's a nice feature, I guess. But yeah, it is definitely on the basic side. Now in the front, this is where all of the money went. I really like this hexagons. How many sides is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagons. Hexagonal grille we got going on right there. Kind of hides the vents. It's pretty neat. Of course, we have a manual transmission in here. We got red accents and red stitching on the shift lever and the steering wheel and the seats. Yeah, I think it looks awesome in here. Nice big sunroof. Yeah, like I said, we'll do a more in-depth video on this car soon, but this is just my quick first impressions. Let's take a really quick look under the hood. 1.5 liters of raw turbocharged Fury. Should be high revving, should be fun. All right, let's drive this thing. right, I think that's gonna be it for today. I can't wait to spend more time in this car. It is just so much fun on a road like this. And what about this color? This color is awesome. If you get a Civic Si, please buy it in this color because we need to bring fun colors back. I'm sick of gray cars. I'm sick of beige cars like this beige Ranger we have passing us. No more beige, no more beige, no more grays, no more whites and blacks. Come on, fun colors. If you're getting a Civic, buy it in a fun color. If you're buying any car, buy it in a fun color because we need to bring back those teals and those purples and those yellows that we had back in the 90s. So thank you, Honda, for making a fun color. That's gonna be it for today. Stay tuned for my full review of this car coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're well, and I'll see you soon.